Good morning. Hey, out in the driveway, this is just funny, but remember the pipe bender and we broke it. Boom. Broke our tail light with a pipe bender. So here we're going to show you how to change your bulbs, or, well, not even change your bulbs. We're going to show you how to change the whole tail light. Changing the bulb, you have to do the same thing you're going to see here, except you got to take the bulb plate out. I got the tools ready. You need a T25. That's all you need for this. Half of it's pop-on. A lot of cool taillights you can buy aftermarket, like with LEDs and all kinds of cool stuff, but you got to cut your factory wire harness. Didn't want to cut the factory wire harness. No, 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 no. So we bought OEM replacements, but we bought aftermarket OEM. You won't tell the difference. These are from Eagle Eyes. Check this out. Look at this. This looks like a factory one. It's got the hookup like the factory one. Let's put them in. I'll show you how. All right, remember when we were playing with the new pipe bender? We put that thing in the hitch there, the bracket, and we bent, and the pipe slipped, and we did this. Oh man, that's a bad scene, but we're going to show you how to fix it. Hey, Dodge Ram taillights are easy to work on. Stay tuned. Step 1, T25. Two bolts, that's it. T25. Pull this away. He's got, if you look on the back here, you got studs. You got to kind of pop those loose. And you've got a, right here, you got this, you got to push and pull. Boom. Lights out, that easy. Putting the new one in, just as easy. Plug and play. One thing you want to do is match up your pins, make sure they're the same. They are. And this is plug and play. Make sure the little rubber pieces are still in the holes here. Like this, put your screws back in. Don't over tighten your screws, you can strip them out. If you are changing your bulbs, you need a Phillips screwdriver to take these out. I'm not going to throw this out. I'm going to take it apart, pull the bulbs, throw them in the glove box. Because the new lights came with bulbs, and the bulbs are easy. They just pull out. Obviously, yours aren't going to pull out through a broken lens, but that's how they pull out. So we're going to pull out the bulbs, save the bulbs. It's, believe it or not, 55 bucks, 60 bucks shipped to the house. Both tail lights, Eagle Eyes brand. Yeah, they're aftermarket, but they look just as good. It will work great. So we're going to go get a Phillips and do that, and we're going to show you how to change the other one. We'll show you from the other side. All right, we got our trusty Phillips screwdriver. You can see you got these here. You can see one was already broke off from when I changed bulbs before. Yes, screws in plastic can rust to the point where they break off. See, here's how this normally goes. You got gaskets, all right? You can save the gaskets on your broken tail light and keep those in the glove box in case your seals are bad in the new one. You can keep the screws too, but there's the bulbs. We'll save the bulbs. This is going in the garbage. Hey, like and subscribe. More cool videos coming. You want them to match, so I bought a pair. So let's take this out and see. This one's never been out, so Gonna be a little harder to get the screws loose. Well, might be harder to get this loose. That came off easy, actually. Pretty easy. Well, this one's got a red clip down here. Hopefully you can see this red clip right here. That's got to be pulled away to get this to work, to get this to push down. And it's going to be a little bit tricky. So we're going to have to get our screwdriver out. You pull that back, and you push the button. Once you pull this red thing back, you can pull the button. And again, it's off, easy. You can see here's the two grommets we were talking about. Both of them stayed in the body. All right. If you want, now is a good time to put some rust preventative in there. So I'm going to go get my can and put some rust preventative in. Okay, everybody knows this is an 03 Ram, and I live up north. So it gets into salt all the time. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of oil on some of this. You can squirt it inside your panels. Both sides here, you put a little bit up here. Little oil goes a long way to stop rust. Oh, got your new tail light. Again, same thing. Plug it in. Plug that in all the way. Push your little red clip up. Turn your tail light. Make sure you get it in those two holes. Bing, bing. Now we put the screws back in on the other side and you're all set. That's all there is to changing your taillights on your Ram trucks. Most of them are this way, where you got the screws inside where you can't see them and they pop off on the outside. Most of the years are like that. Hey, like and subscribe, post notifications on. We got the steel dimpling still coming, and we've got some other great stuff for our Overland project. Just had to fix the taillights because we're going to the store today and I can't drive around with a broken taillight. Okay, before you drive out on the road, test your lights, make sure they work. Let's go do it. So there you go. You saw the lights. I didn't, but you did. So let me know. Did it work?